Show Grandpa how you sit up. Show Grandpa how you sit up. This is her sitting. Ah! She. Show Grandpa how you sit up like a big girl. Ah! Show Grandpa how you sit up.
You fucking kidding me, bro?
She keeps doing that. She goes back.
I got her.
Okay. Maddie. Take the coach off a little bit. So Grandpa can see. Maddie. Look up, Maddie. Say hi to Grandpa. Maddie. Look at those toes. Look at those toes. Look at those little toes. Look at that curly hair. I don't think you can see it. No, you can't.
You only got like 15 minutes. You know?
Yeah, I know. Say bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye.